Thank you, sir, for a great introduction. Um, I come from an industrial background, and also from an organization where diversity is very deep-rooted. And let me bring forward, I'll be happy to share some of my personal thoughts on diversity. And diversity in education is, as Dr. Sinha said, is so big. So to scope down for my 5 minutes conversation, I would bring it down to faculty, right? What does diversity mean to faculty? What does diversity mean in our teaching system to our teachers? There are three areas that I believe needs to be considered. Number one is kind of just from a landscape perspective. I think when we talk about diversity, people quickly grasp into, okay, let's go international, let international people come to India and so on. But I want to stress that India itself is so diverse, right? From it's beautiful blend of so many different regions, cultures, languages. So let's firstly maximize on what India has to offer in terms of diversity. And of course, there's full globe for us to play on, but let's not miss on the opportunities that India has to have. Second one I would like to talk about is the aspects of diversity, right? What are the various aspects of diversity in terms of faculty that needs to be considered, right? The aspects that could be considered are cross-department. What we have seen is everyone works in so silos, right? Department A doesn't talk to Department 2, Department B. So, I mean, how do we break those silos? How do professors and teachers work cross departments more smoothly? How do professors work cross institutions or cross regions more easily and kind of help that bring more diversity on the table and bring diversity while teaching and as a whole improve their own skill sets? Diversity in sectors is also very important. What I've noticed to see is a lot of people from industry are moving back to academia, IITs to go teach. At the same time, there are people from academia willing to come to industry to experiment what it is like the practical life. I think that's really good, right? How can diversity be brought up through various sectors? Some people take those big moves of kind of just changing their careers drastically, but how do we improve the quality of faculty by giving them opportunities to work in a cross-sector scenarios, right? I was recently with one of the managers from Mexico, and he was very keen of kind of doing a faculty exchange with Indian University, right? Indian University, especially in the technical space, has a great brand value. However, at the same time, we know that Indian professors, the top of the pyramid professors, I think they're high flyers, there's no problem about that. But as we start going at the bottom of the pyramid, how do we improve their quality becomes a challenge. And to do that, how do we start either the PPP model or open some doors in which there could be faculty exchange, there could be joint research, things like that, right? That would actually really give diversity to professors in small doses, right? And over the period of time, it could kind of really help. Technology, right? We're talking about ICT in the previous session. Technology helps bring a lot of diversity to at least awareness of what things are being taught in other places or how things are being worked at other places. So this whole thing on ICT, which MHRD is driving, which the country is driving to, I think, can really help from a foundation perspective to support the diversity cause. Third area that I want to talk about is kind of have a clear focus. So from a faculty perspective, what's the clear focus? Diversity is a big landscape. We really can't, the way to eat an elephant is kind of piece by piece, right? So how do we kind of go forward and say, what's the focus areas of diversity? What I see from my experience is research is a strong area which not only will help improve the faculty quality, but also research across institutions, across regions would really help improve the quality. In my organization, we have something called rotations. We have faculty come for a few months. We call it like faculty interns and faculty, even faculty rotations where somebody from industry will go to academy and somebody from academy comes to industry. That I think is a good way on taking care of that. So repeat in terms of faculty quality, my three mantras are don't forget India, maximize India, but of course keep all world in mind. Look into various aspects of diversity. Right? There's some program that we do for faculty support, but I'm not going to go there just to kind of keep it simple. But the bottom line is that diversity. There are many things to talk about, but as the things are changing, right? For the education system to continue to evolve, Indian education system or any education system for that matter, we have to really look outwards, right? It cannot be like inward looking. So one thing is clearly look outwards. How do we build those diversity elements in our culture? And finally, let's change, right? So I think how do we change is critical. So I know we are breaking, but let's break silos, bring diversity on the table, and I think the education system in India is definitely on its upward trend. And that's my inputs from my side. Thank you so much.